Welcome to our journey around the globe, where we unveil the wealth needed to join the exclusive club of the top 1% in each country. The top 1%, a phrase that's become a global symbol of financial success and power. But what exactly does it mean? It's the sliver of the population that sits atop the economic pyramid in any given country, the wealthiest of the wealthy. The measure we're using to define this group is net wealth, which includes all assets owned by a person, minus their debts. However, the threshold to join this elite group varies widely from country to country. Today we'll be counting down from 17 to 1, revealing what it takes to join the top 1% in various nations around the globe. It's a journey that will take us from the land of the rising sun to the city-state, glittering with skyscrapers. Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this fascinating journey across the world's wealthiest corners. Starting from the 17th position, let's dive into the world of the rich and famous. To be among the top 1% in Italy, you'd need a cool $2,548,000. Not too shabby, right? But hold on to your hats, folks, because we're just getting started. In Spain, you'd need just a smidge more, $2,468,000. That's the price of joining the exclusive 1% club in the land of flamenco and paella. Moving eastward to Japan, a country known for its technological prowess and unique culture, the wealth threshold for the top 1% climbs to $1,971,000. China, the most populous country in the world, surprisingly has a lower threshold, with a mere $1,074,000 needed to join their top 1%. Now back to Europe. In the United Kingdom, you'd need a whopping $3,070,000. That's a fair bit of change, wouldn't you agree? We're off to Hong Kong next, where the number rises slightly to $3,094,000. In France, the city of love, you'd need a love for money as well, with a threshold of $3,273,000. Germany, the land of precision and efficiency, requires $3,430,000 to be in their top 1%. Ireland, known for its lush landscapes and warm hospitality, sets the bar at $4,321,000. And finally, we reach the edge of the top 10 with New Zealand, where you'd need $4,574,000 to join the ranks of the Kiwi elite. As we ascend the ladder of wealth, the numbers increase significantly. Are you ready to see the top 7? Entering the realm of the ultra-rich, we now explore the top 6 countries. Moving up to number 6, we find ourselves in the Scandinavian country of Sweden, where the wealth needed is $4,761,000. A trip to the vibrant city-state of Singapore requires a wealth of $5,227,000 to be in the top 1%. On American soil, the threshold is set at $5,813,000. In the land of watches and chocolate, Switzerland, the amount increases to a staggering $8,509,000. Luxembourg, a small European country known for its medieval architecture, requires a wealth of $10,832,000. And there we have it. The wealth required to be in the top 1% in Monaco, the country with the highest threshold, standing at a whopping $12,883,000. Phew, that was quite a journey, wasn't it? We've spanned the globe, uncovering the staggering wealth required to join the elite 1% in various countries. It's clear the gap is vast. From Monaco's staggering $12.8 million to China's more humble $1.074 million. This exploration has shown us the profound disparities in global wealth. If you enjoyed this journey and would like to embark on more such explorations, do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Stay wealthy.